lot of obstacles, but I would have to say that in dealing with my major, I went through a lot of confidence issues in my voice. I think when you're in the arts or anything, whether it's music, visual art or theater, that it's very hard to compare yourself to other people. But you have to remember that your gift is unique. God gave you this gift. This is yours. What you have is yours. And what God has for you is for you. So you can't compare yourself to other people. And I think during my undergraduate years, that's what I did because it's easier said than done. You may see a lot of people moving up or progressing and you don't feel like you're doing that. And I know I started dealing with performance anxiety around my sophomore year, which caused me to, I have to say it made me stagnant because I felt like I wasn't progressing. I actually felt like I was regressing. And so I actually ended up having to do a sophomore advisory again, which is something that they decide on whether this singer is prepared to go on or not to go on. So having to do that again just made me feel very down, like, well, maybe I'm not good enough. But throughout it all, I passed that again. I did what I had to do. I worked hard. I had a lot of obstacles and a lot of challenges, but looking back at it, I did the best I could, and I think this major and just the Schwab School of Music as a whole has made me a much stronger individual and a much better performer and singer.